Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cheesecake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need digestive biscuits and melted butter for the base, along with full-fat cream cheese, icing sugar, and double cream for that rich, creamy filling. Having a 23-centimeter loose-bottom tin is crucial for easy removal. Remember, using room temperature ingredients helps achieve a perfectly smooth batter, so plan ahead for the best results. Now, let's get hands-on with the base and filling. Start by crushing your digestive biscuits into fine crumbs, then combine them with melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into your prepared tin and chill it for at least 1 hour to set. For the filling, beat the soft cheese with icing sugar until it's wonderfully smooth. Then, carefully fold in the double cream until the mixture is thick and ready for the next step. Once your filling is ready, spoon it evenly onto the chilled biscuit base, ensuring a smooth top. If you're making a no-bake cheesecake, simply refrigerate it overnight until it's perfectly set. For a baked version, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius and bake for about 75 minutes. Crucially, allow it to cool gradually in the oven with the door slightly open, then transfer to the fridge for several hours to fully firm up. To prepare for serving, let your cheesecake come to room temperature for about 30 minutes. To unmold it cleanly, place the base on top of a can and gently pull the tin sides down. Now for the exciting part, toppings. Fresh berries, a vibrant fruit compote, or a rich chocolate ganache are all fantastic choices. For perfect slices, use a sharp knife dipped in hot water, then serve your beautifully crafted cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.